Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change YouTube channel about section. So the first step you simply need to do is to open YouTube and you need to go onto the YouTube studio first. So once you are in your channel, click on your channel profile picture on the top right and go on to your channel. So once you are here, you simply need to click on customize channel and here this window will pop up. Then you need to go on to the basic info. Here you can see the option of description. So here you can add anything about your channel and click on publish. Once you done that, the process will complete and here you can see about your section on the top like this if you add anything here. So this is the process how you can change YouTube channel about section. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.